Hello, in this video I will show you how to download and install Bluesky social app. Now it's a very easy process. Just simply open your App Store or Play Store, then go to the search panel and just simply search for Bluesky. Then open the first link right over here. After that, you should look at application with a symbol like this. Now, just simply click on install and wait for the installation to complete. As it is a very small application, it will install in a few seconds. Now once the application is installed, just simply click on open, and after that just simply wait for it to completely load in. Once that is done, just simply click on create account and then enter your email address, your password and your date of birth. Now after entering all the details, just simply click on next, then enter username of your desire, and after that if the username is available, just simply click on next, and if the username is not available, it will give you a warning. Then what you can do is just simply add some numbers or symbols. It's totally up to you, and then click on next and see if it works or not. So if it works, it will proceed, and then all you have to do is click on I am not a human option right over here, and then complete the captcha. After you complete the process, it should automatically log you inside the page. Over here you can choose few people that you want to follow, and using this application is extremely simple as it is an exact copy of Twitter with some minor changes. So that's it, and if this video was helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.